Hey guys, how's it going? So a lot of people wanted me to talk about TIlray because TIlray is ridiculous. I called it out not too long ago. I said I wouldn't be surprised if TIlray went to $200 because right now TIlray app makes absolutely no sense. Like absolutely no sense. They're valued way more than Canopy. They might be valued more than Canopy and Aurora combined. That's insane. And you guys really think that these guys that are pumping up the TIlray stock care about the fundamentals of this company? No, they are after making money, and I'll explain why. So this is a video. This is a Motley Fool article. I looked into it so I can kind of show you exactly what I mean. So, but no, there's more to worry about TIlray's volatility, seemingly endlessly upside lately. In order to borrow the stock from your brokerage, you need to pay an annual interest rate on what you borrow. Generally, this rate is reasonably low, unless you're dealing with a high profile or hard to borrow stock. And TIlray stock is extremely hard to borrow, which perfectly describes the recent public TIlray. According to finances analyst firm S3 Partner, even if you are able to short TIlray stock through your broker, you could pay as much as 370% annual interest to do so. In my 20 years of investing, I've never seen... What the hell? That was weird. Oh, it's loading. I've never seen a borrow rate for short interest this high. Right there. Like, so what's happening is, let's say you were a billionaire, you were back in this company, right? When you're a billionaire, you usually have billionaire friends. You usually have like 4 or 5 friends that you know are also billionaires. So you go to them, you're like, hey, you guys want to make some money? They're like, yeah, sure. And then what they do is they go into the stock market, manipulate the hell out of it. Greedy people who want to short the stock go in, be like, oh, this stock's so overvalued, I'll make easy money if I short the stock. So they didn't care about the 350% interest they're paying to short the stock. And what happens? These billionaires are pumping up the stock even higher. So those guys who are shorting the stock is paying insane amount of interest. That's the only reason why TIlray stock is so overvalued right now. This could go to $200. The people who are shorting the stock are probably sweating like no tomorrow. They're gonna lose so much money. And if Andrew Left hasn't covered on the stock yet, when he caught out his short, he would have been down so much money right now. And he could lose even more. And if he keeps holding on, the interest rate's gonna keep going up and up and up, because these billionaires have endless pockets, right? If they're trading back and forth with each other, they can easily raise the stock to $200, $300, $400 until the shorts are gone. Then they'll plummet the stock. But this is what I think is happening. I think this stock is just being manipulated like no tomorrow. It's very risky. I would not buy this stock. I buy stocks on fundamentals. I don't buy stock on gambling. So I would stay away from this stock. I don't want to get too and don't get too greedy. Greed will end up making you lose more money than anything else. So this news was so this is pretty big news, I would have to say. This is really big news. Aurora Cannabis positioned coast to coast with province supplier arrangement appoints Darren Karusiki as executive vice president of adult usage global. Aurora Cannabis today announced its wholly... So I don't have to read this out loud. So basically right now they have British Columbia, Alberta, Ontario, Quebec, Nova Scotia. And now with Metroleaf, they have made arrangements in Yukon, Manitoba, Prince Edward Island, Newfoundland, and Labrador. So because of this news, now Aurora has covered 98% of Canada. 98% of Canada. And with the amount of product they have, Aurora is gonna basically be like Aurora and Canopy are basically gonna have monopolies. Alfira, I guess they're not gonna have. Well, I think Aurora is gonna take at least 35% of the Canadian market share, and Canopy is gonna take the other 35%, and this is gonna leave 30% for Aurora, Metroleaf, TIlray, and all the other big companies, and then the smaller companies, they're gonna really struggle and try to find a way to sell product. So this is how I see it. Canopy already came out and said they have 38% market share. So Aurora is gonna have at least 30 to 35% market share. They haven't announced, and like they haven't like they stopped announcing supply agreements, so people like me can't come out and reveal how much they're gonna make in money. At least this is what I believe. I'm just kind of using myself, but I highly doubt I'm that special anyway. So I think well, just this is my opinion, but I think I started the whole, oh, we're not gonna show our supply agreements anymore, you know, so like you can't guess our financial numbers in the future. So whatever, that doesn't matter. Oh, what? I don't know why I have that up. Namaste. Andrew Short, Andrew Short. It should be Andrew Short instead of Andrew Left. But Andrew Left shorted Namaste too, and now, unless he covered already, he's like down a little bit on Namaste. And if Namaste gets their sales license, like right now, they announced that they got their now they can go order pre-packaged labels, and they can start testing their cannabis products. So that means that they are very, very close to getting their sales license. If they can order packaged labels, like they can order like, you know, labeling, then that shows a sign that Namaste is heading towards the direction of getting a sales license for the company, or for Canmart anyways. So the whole Quebec thing did not affect the company at all. Maybe they lost TIlray out of it, and that's it. That's all. They lost TIlray out of it. Besides losing TIlray, Namaste, nothing's wrong with the company. Nothing's bad happened to the company. If they get their sales license, if they get the official sales license, this stock could go to like $5-6, and then they could get listed on the Nasdaq, and that could push the stock up to $7. But this is only my prediction. I don't know exactly what will happen. I would put I don't know. If they get a sales license, I'm pretty sure the stock will go above $4. So, and it looks like they're heading in that direction. That's all I'm really going to talk about for Namaste. I'm not going to really, I don't know what else to talk about for Namaste, right? So, if they get their sales license, the next step is the Nasdaq. So, I'm hoping for that. Once the stock has a correction, maybe I'll be a bigger investor, but right now I'm just holding and waiting, because I do believe they will get the Nasdaq listing. Aurora makes me so happy. I made so much money off Aurora in the past 2 days. I think, let's see, hold on. So in the past 2 days, it's gone up like $2.50. Let me just pull out a calculator for you. $162,000 shares, times $2.50. I made $405,000 in 2 days off just Aurora cannabis stock. Yeah, that feels good. And it's not gonna stop there. It's gonna go higher. Life is good. I guess FSD Pharma. This company shocks me. Like, the volume is still pretty decent. The stock is not like I thought it would be. It's probably moving up with the market. The market is moving up, so SFD Pharma is moving up with the market. But maybe this is a good company. I have no idea. I done my research on this company. I don't know why the stock is going up. I honestly, if I would not invest in this company for the main reason is this company is extremely diluted. The market cap's almost $1 billion. Come on, $1 billion. Like this market cap used to be $200 million. That's why I'm not investing into it. I'm going to be investing into new startups like Canopy Rivers and Australis Capital, which I'll get into later. So, that whole Coke video that I released, that Aurora signed up the Coke cannabis, I made $181 in 1 day of YouTube. My average is going up to $1,444.17. I'm getting 100,000 plus views a month now. My subscriber base is growing up, getting an average of 663 subscribers per month. That's, oh man, that's insane growth. Like, that's just, like, my YouTube channel is growing like my portfolio. It's growing like I'm making more money. Like, I'm almost making more, like, I'm making half as much money on YouTube as I did with my full-time job. And I don't even consider this working. I just, go on a mic, talk, and you guys watch it. And I try to give you guys useful information. You guys tell me stuff. I try to look into it, and then I try to give my opinion about it. And I release a video. So, I mean, it's, fair value trade, I guess. Like, look at my views in the past 48 hours. I got 17,000 views in the past 48 hours. That's insane. Like, I would never, I would never imagine my views to be this high. It's so crazy. Yeah, it's just so crazy. This video is probably going to be called why TIlray stock is overinflated. I mean, why TIlray stock is $153, and why and Aurora Cannabis amazing amazing stock market news for Aurora, something like that. I'm not sure what the title is. Just letting you guys know, like at the back half of the video. So I guess this is the end. It would have been very interesting if Australia's Capital and Canopy Rivers came out at the same time. The stock market would blow up because there would be so much interest in these two companies. That's why, like, Canopy River is delaying it to September 20th, and letting Aurora go out first. I think what's gonna happen with Aurora is, on the day that Aurora comes out, the stock's gonna, like, everybody's gonna want to buy the stock. It's gonna go up massively, and then near the end of the day, it's gonna correct itself, and then because people are gonna take profit and then get ready for Canopy Rivers when it IPOs. At least this is what I believe is gonna happen. I'm planning to buy Australia's Capital and Canopy Rivers, because I believe that you can't go wrong buying spin-offs or stocks of another company. Like Aurora, Australia's Capital is its own company, but it has Aurora branding on it, right? It's like Australia's Capital with Aurora branding on it. So because it has Aurora branding, it has the exposure to so many investors that I believe that just because the market is so bullish right now, I believe that people are just gonna buy the stock no matter like what, because they think they can make money on the in the short side, because there's so much excitement when this stock comes out. So there's gonna be a lot of trading on day one. This is what I believe. I'm definitely gonna be buying. I'll let you guys know exactly how much I buy for it. Like, if you guys want to know how much shares I bought for tomorrow, please give me 250 thumbs up, because I know it can get that high. So 250 thumbs up. I will share you guys exactly how much shares I bought of Australia's Capital when it opens up tomorrow. So give me those thumbs up if you want to know, I guess. Anyways, I guess this is it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.